Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I style this beautiful wig from Entrance Styles. It is the dark blue wig with bangs. It is a synthetic wig. It's a wavy bob style wig. And yeah, stay tuned. This wig comes with a comb in the front, a comb in the back, and then an adjustable strap. So here's the wig straight out of packaging. I did not have to do much with this wig at all. There was not a lot of shedding. Just ran my fingers through it just to style it a bit, and then did some fixing on the bangs. And that's pretty much all I had to do with this unit. So here is my final look. Definitely enjoyed this unit. I will leave all of the information in the description box so that you can purchase this unit on your own. Again, this is the Entrance Styles dark blue wig with bang. Next up, we have wig number 2, and this wig is from AISI Hair. This is the Queen's Afro wig. This is the Kinky Curly Short Full Afro wig in the color brown mixed with blonde. So as you can see by the look on my face, definitely wasn't expecting this blonde of a color, but let's see how this goes. So this wig comes with 2 clips in the front and an adjustable strap. And here is the wig straight out of the packaging. I am definitely going to shape these curls and also pull them out a little bit. But I'm actually feeling this look, so let's see what we can do. So I'm just going through and stretching the curls and shaping it to fit my face and definitely giving it a more natural look. And here is the final look. Again, as with the other wig, I will leave all of the information for this unit down in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope that you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.